Welcome to another in our series of Down the Supply Chain interviews with innovative smaller companies in the aerospace industry. Today we're in Montreal with DCM and with their president, Eric Ledoux. Thanks for being with us, Eric.
Good morning.
Can you tell us a little bit about DCM for those in our audience who don't know your company?
Well, DCM is based in Montreal. We have 4 divisions, and we're integrated. We're doing small, medium aerostructure assemblies for the aircraft industry. Our customers are mainly Bombardier, Airbus, Boeing, Embraer, Aerodeftek, and what we do for them are final assembly of smaller aerostructures. And we have an example right here where there's some machining, coating, assembly, welding, painting. And this process, this piece here has gone through a lot of processes which were all controlled with our different divisions. As I said, there's welding, painting, coating, manufacturing, and there's many processes that are all done by our divisions. And we provide these pieces to either OEMs or Tier 1 anywhere in the world.
Can you tell us a bit about your 4 different divisions and what they do?
Well, the first division is the manufacturing. Obviously, at the forefront, you need to manufacture some of these details, some of these pieces. And then we have a division that does a lot of welding, aerospace welding, and coating, because we know these need to be HVOF, or there's plasma coating, there's paint, surface treatment. So that's our second division. We have a division that does electrical testing. We don't see any electrical here, but some of these spaces, sometimes some of these testing tools require a lot of electrical wiring. So we have a specialty there in electrical testing. And we, as we said, we have a division in tubing. This is an example here of an aerospace tubing with swaging, welding, painting. So that's another division we have.
What differentiates DCM from your competitors, and why should an OEM come to you?
Well, the OEM should come to us because we master all the trades. We have all the certifications from the different OEMs, and we do provide them with a final solution, in the sense that we don't not only do manufacturing or surface treatment or paint or welding, we try to integrate all these pieces together in smaller assemblies of aerostructure.
So they get a one-stop shop, and
it's a one-stop shop that we provide to them. And with the reduced and the issues with workforce shortages that all companies have, they can come to us and find an assembled aerostructure product for them, done with all the trades and done with all the expertise that we have accumulated over the last 25 years.
Mm-hmm. How large is your company? And
we're about 60 million worth in business. We have over 350 employees in the different sites on the island of Montreal, and we each has his own. They're all a center of excellences, and they all work together, do our best to work together. And we work with all these companies, as I said, mainly Bombardier, but Airbus as well has been taking a lot of steps into coming into the America, in USA, in Canada, obviously in Alabama, in Montreal as well with the C-Series. So there's been a lot of requests from Airbus to work together. We had worked with Airbus in the past, and there's a lot of potential with them and a lot of demand from them for assistance or special products for them.
It sounds like growth is coming internationally for you as well, as DCM gets better known throughout the world, not only North America.
Well, the industry nowadays is worldwide, and these different OEMs try to work in different continents as well, either Asia, Europe, or North America, or even South America with Embraer for that matter. So they're looking for partners, they're looking for smaller companies to help them out, either Tier 1, Tier 2s, And obviously, they want these partners to be available everywhere in the world. So if we want to work more with Airbus, not only we have to work with them in the US, but in Canada, but also in Europe and also in Asia, because they have assembly plants in China. So we have to be able to support them on a worldwide basis.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure.